I'm Lucy Bloom and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a wee bit different. I'm going to be doing a kind of plant haul video. I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get going. Okay, so the first thing I've got is a Phlobodium. It's a Phlobodium arium, and they're just absolutely wonderful plants. I've got it in this wee display pot here. So I know Phlobodium as harefoot fern because their leaves look a wee bit like the foot of a hare, which is really cute. They're just wonderful big ferny plants. So the deal with ferns is to keep them nice and moist, but not to be sitting in water for too long. And also they like humidity as well. This is super, super cool because it's got these creepy, fluffy rhizomes at the bottom. So if you look there, they're super weird. I love this guy. I've been eyeing him up for ages. And I know he's quite a simple plant you can get in most places, but some plants I think are just absolutely beautiful. And I've wanted this one for so long. I'm so excited to get going with this guy. This guy here is a Hoya. It's actually my first Hoya. So it's a Hoya Carnosa, and I think it's a tricolour because it does have those three colours in it. So it's got the lovely kind of whites, the deep greens, and a wee bit of pinks on top as well. Now, Hoyas, I've seen them kicking about for absolutely ages, and some people are obsessed with Hoyas, but I never really got it. I never really wanted one particularly. But I think cameras do not do this plant justice. Their leaves are so glossy and so pretty. I got it on a whim, but now I'm so happy I've got it because they're just, I can't describe how beautiful and glossy these leaves are. I know nothing about Hoyas. I'm a total Hoya novice. So if anyone has any top Hoya tips before I go down the route of buying all the Hoyas that I can get a hold of, just send them my way. Please comment. I want to know so much more about this wonderful wee plant. This one here is Sedum Morganianum. I never know if I'm pronouncing that right. Correct me in the comments. But it's a burro's tail or a donkey's tail, and they are just crazy. It's been on my plant wish list for absolutely donkeys. It's just a wonderful plant. It's of course a kind of succulent plant, and it's got these lovely big traily kind of viney things. My only issue with it is it drops all the time. Just, it's so sensitive. It's such a sensitive plant. That is annoying, but at the end of the day I can propagate all of these wee things and just have absolutely hundreds of these in the go. My original plan, because it's a plant that likes full sunlight, was to hang it up and have it beside my windowsill. But it is just an absolute monster. It's so heavy. It's worth noting it's not planted in here. This is just a show pot. But even the plant itself without the show pot is just so heavy. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous though. And it's producing these wee flowers right now as well, which are just so pretty. So I'm really grateful to have got this already, and I've only had it for roughly, I think maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks now. Already I'm seeing major growth on it. So it has this big spurt in the summertime. I'm thinking now to get specifically succulent related nutritional stuff for it, plant feed, just so it can just blossom and just get the most out of the sun in the summer as it possibly can. So I think this is a wonderful buy. Last but not least, I've got this Tradescantia. Now this one is a Tradescantia Nanoute or Nanoute, however you pronounce it, but it's wonderful. It's got these kind of pinkish, purplish leaves. It's just a fabby wee plant. Now it came with a wee bit of damage, but I got a cracking wee deal on it as well, and it is just wonderful. It's kind of outgrown its nursery pot, so let's look at the roots. Woo! You can see there it's just completely, there's hundreds of these roots there, so I'd think that would probably need a wee repotting soon enough. But if you've ever had a Tradescantia before, you'll know they're just fabby wee growers. So I've had a normal Tradescantia. Oh, what's it called? Can't remember now. But one of the kind of the green and the purpley ones before. Zabrini, Tradescantia Zabrini. And it's just fantastic to propagate. It will take anything you throw at it. If you kill a Tradescantia, you're a very impressive person because they're hard to kill. This one here, I'm so excited to get growing with. I intend to take cuttings right away. I know there's some that are big enough here. Maybe that one there. And then just see where it goes from there. Hopefully I can proliferate this and just have a whole bunch of lovely Tradescantias. And when everything starts opening up, I'll have some fantastic wee giveaway, wee gifts for my pals. So that's been my lockdown plant haul. All of these plants I've got delivered to my door from lovely local plant nurseries and also lovely florists as well. So Blooms Glasgow and Barvis St James. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. And yeah, have a lovely day. Bye!